If you're trying to find the newest Hostingr coupon code along with a fast Hostingr review, this video will show you how to unlock one of the best web hosting deals available today. Just use the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, and you'll automatically activate an extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months during sign-up. Here's why this deal is different. Many links online usually provide only around a 10% extra discount, but this offer includes a full 20% extra discount together with 3 additional months, making it one of the best Hostingr offers available right now. If the pricing shown doesn't match your local region, simply click the flag icon in the top right corner, choose your country, and the updated pricing will load instantly. In this Hostingr review, you get fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, and light-speed servers for improved optimization. The Hostingr website builder makes creating a professional website easy, even for beginners. Hostingr is often recognized as one of the best web hosting platforms for new websites and growing online projects. And every hosting plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee for added peace of mind. Combining the extra 20% discount with the 3 additional months helps reduce the final cost significantly. So if you're planning to launch your website, just use the link below or scan the QR code to activate the offer instantly. And when your requirements expand, Hostingr provides advanced options like Hostingr VPS, Hostingr Horizons, Hostingr openclaw, and Hostingr N8N for easier scaling and flexibility. To claim the maximum savings, click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to get your extra 20% discount plus 3 extra months on Hostingr.